Look at that. As I'm talking, literally as I'm talking, you kind of keep your ears to the ground on any kind of talk about trade war falling apart. This is the one thing we also have to kind of like, take into account. We're still betting on the fact that they're going to meet with China and work things out. We've met once, preliminarily turned out pretty good, and that's all right. But at any moment in time, don't sleep on the fact that last trade war, I traded the same trade war back in the day. It sounds good for a hot minute, market rallies, and then somehow one of the two of them says, I don't like what they said, I'm probably going to pull out, and the market's going to die, especially with the Fitch or the Moody's downgrade. The market is looking for any reason now to be like, okay, let's be extra sensitive to news. To be careful today or this week or anytime if there's any hint of like instability in the trade war. Market will flip out as it's already kind of being pressured today. Let's hope that nobody says anything and it's going to be smooth. But I remember back in like the 2020 days, back when we first had that thing. Ooh, here we go. I don't know what's going on, but let's take a long there. Why not? To get something off of that. Double check there's not any news or something, but ran right to DD band. That's what I like to see. Start off with something good. Okay, well, I'll take that. Just gotta say, like, ear to the ground, make sure that there's not some kind of like issues. China, US undermines consensus reached in Geneva. I don't know if you guys were handed the script from Hollywood called Wall Street. This shit is so scripted. I fucking predict it in that sentence before I say something. I'm telling you, the game is scripted, guys. Oh, the great and powerful predict. As I'm literally saying it. And anyways, I'm logging at my pivot. Remember, any news that can undermine anything is gonna cause some issues. So let's see, like I said, this is why you tune into the stream, you guys. Like I said, I've been through this before. I traded the trade war before. It's the same song and dance. It's never been the same. The minute anybody says anything, China asks the US to correct wrongdoings, does that even mean anything? No. Is that just two people doing what they normally do in negotiation? At first, it's stellar news. Like, I know all the newer traders out there is like, oh, they worked out a deal. And I was like, look, been there before. They're going to go there. They're going to leave. Things will be quiet. They're going to beat their chests on social media for a while. They're going to accuse them of this. They're going to do that. They're going to threaten this. It's going to like start to feel tense again. And then they're going to meet again. And then nothing's going to happen. And market's going to freak out because they met and didn't change anything. The market's going to be all crazy again. And then ultimately the trade war is going to go away because Trump is going to fold. We've been through this before. The same thing that we did before.